Welcome to another video in the PLA 3.0 What's New series. In this video, we introduce our new toolkit for Biological Assay Package, version 1.0.0. Version 1.0.0 of the toolkit introduces two new key features to quantitative response assay documents that vastly expand the scope of assay analysis. Compliance-safe bulk adjustments allow you to change assay settings with minimal effort. And you can split assay documents for additional control over each standard-to-test sample comparison. Both features tremendously facilitate assay development and explorative approaches. In addition, you can integrate them with the PLA 3.0 assay monitoring capabilities to quickly investigate their impact. Before we go into detail, let's have a look at the PLA 3.0 update strategy. PLA 3.0 receives continuous improvements and enhancements. Major new capabilities are introduced with every version of PLA 3.0, and its add-ons. New versions of PLA 3.0 contain comprehensive and novel features, as well as refined functions. Add-ons allow entirely new analytical options and comply with state-of-the-art methods. While new add-ons or add-on versions take advantage of the most recent PLA 3.0 version, you can update PLA 3.0 and its add-ons independently. Let's now look at the new features of the toolkit for Biological Assay Package version 1.0.0. First of all, it allows compliance-safe adjustments on multiple quantitative response assays, simultaneously. No matter if you would like to optimize a single detail, or standardize the entire analytical method. Adjusting the assay analysis across multiple runs may be necessary for various reasons. For example, to explore the influence of different analytical approaches on the potency result. Or to streamline the assay setup. You also might want to apply response data processing. Or revise the test system. The toolkit supports you in all these tasks, quickly and efficiently. First, prepare and save adjustments in a template. Then standardize and calculate all assays in bulk, with just one click. Importantly, the toolkit is compliance safe, as adjustments are performed on copies of the original data. This ensures data integrity of the original source assays, which remain unchanged. It also allows you to easily revert to previous setups, and maintain an overview. The toolkit integrates perfectly with other PLA 3.0 add-ons. For example, use control charts to compare the impact of various changes produced by the toolkit. With the toolkit, you can also split assay documents, according to the individual test samples they contain. This provides more control over each standard-to-test comparison, and enables an independent analytical treatment whenever necessary. Splitting an assay document offers new analytical opportunities to PLA 3.0. It allows you to tailor the analysis specifically for each independent sample on a plate. For example, select the part of the standard curve, which fits best to each test sample. In addition, you now can more conveniently check which samples enter a comprehensive analysis. Of course, PLA 3.0 directly calculates the split assays, and ensures data integrity for the entire process. Please visit www.bioassay.de for more information on PLA 3.0 and download options. You can try PLA, upgrade your existing installation, or buy a license.